G'day guys, Brendan here from Tentworld and Prospect. Going to tell you all about the OZtrail Outback Cooker. This also doubles as a great heater during the winter especially. So the body is made of cast iron and the legs are made of cast aluminium. These legs are also removable as well, so it's nice and easy for transport and storage. You have 3 vent points on the front, and each of these can be moved in or out depending on how much combustion you actually want happening. You've got a front bridge door, it opens up, and you have some heat resistant glass as well, so you can actually see the fire burning to make sure it's actually working. So you've got a few accessories that come with the Outback Cooker. You've got a lid lifter, so you can use this to put on the grill plate, or you can lift it off and put it in the second hole, which actually elevates it slightly above, so you can move it around quite freely. You also get a flat plate as well, a pick tool, great for pushing around the ash and the coals. You get 4 individual stainless steel chimney pieces. You can always get additional chimney pieces as well if you want to extend it, or even an offset which will offset the chimney by about 15 centimeters as well. On the very top you have a spark arrestor which stops any of the sparks flying out of the top. Good on you, champ. Here's one we prepared earlier. To find out more, just come and see us.